Hi, I have a light switch with one red wire and two black wires. I'm looking to replace it with a dimmer switch with two black wires and a green wire. Wondering the best way to do this. Thanks.
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Just started the project.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Nope.
Hello, is your existing switch a three-way switch where there is another switch that controls the same light from a different spot in the room?
No, there is only one switch. Here is a photo. This is the new dimmer.
Okay, just hook one black dimmer wire to the two blacks and the other black dimmer wire to the red wire. Then green to bare copper ground wires.
Great, thanks. I don't see a copper ground. This is the box.
Okay, looks like there is a green wire in the box, you can connect to that.
The green wire is looped up and back down, there is no end to attach to. What do you recommend I do?
If you pull the loop out of the box, how much of a loop is there? If you cut it in the middle, how many inches of each cut end would extend out of the box?
This is all I can pull out. Cut it at center and attach with a cap.
Wow, that's ridiculous. Just leave it and you can get a green ground screw or a grounding pigtail and screw it to the back of the box. There is a smaller, threaded hole for that purpose in the back wall of the box. Here is the grounding pigtail from Home Depot, https:/www.homedepot.com/p/ideal grounding pigtail 12 AWG solid tail 5 per bag standard package is 4 bags 30 3392S/203734801. The steel conduit should provide a ground path back to the panel and is a suitable grounding path according to the NEC.
Great. Thanks for the help. Bad electrical job it sounds like.
Yeah, that ground wire should have been looped longer and connected to the box. Glad to help.
Happy to. Thanks again. One more question, sorry to bother, I don't see a threaded smaller hole in the box. What to do? Also, do I connect the black dimmer wire to this exposed portion of the existing black or connect at the existing end cap? Thanks in advance.
In that situation, I would drill and tap a new hole into the back of the box. https://www.lowes.com/pd/dewalt10322 flute m2 hss drill tap /999959797.
Thanks, man.
Undo that wire nut and cut the wire off at the strip portion so that you have out half an inch of exposed copper left, and then put the three black wires together, including the one dimmer wire.
Great, thanks.
Glad to help. Good luck.
55357 and number 56911.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.